All right, we're going to begin with letter Q today. Here you can see a printed Q up in the box. Now this isn't when we make a lot, but it does have that really sharp turn from the bottom, and you can see my arrow pointing to that sharp turn. Now that is going to be key in making sure that our cursive Q does not look like a G, a lowercase g. So we have our dotted line that leads into the Q, but we're going to have to make an adjustment because we're going to make this cursive-like, but it's still going to have a sharp turn. Watch that sharp turn back to touch the base line of the Q and then sweeping away. So that's what we're going to work on, starting at the green line, familiarly sweeping up to the dotted line. We're going to switch to purple, come around, and switch to yellow straight down to the very bottom line, touching that very bottom line and then making a pretty sharp turn back up and touching the yellow line on the red baseline. So that's a sharp turn, and then we're going to turn one more time. Red is going to sweep the letter away to the next letter or the end of the word. Okay, good job. And now we're going to start to make our cues on the writing lines. So you can always start with that new learner line, the first one. You can also start, if you're getting to be more comfortable at this point, with the should do line, the second one. And if you're really getting comfortable and you want to, or if you want to challenge, you can do the third line, the aspire to do line, the very bottom one. I'd like you to work on the letters QU because they're almost always together in the English language. And I also want you to add the word quit, Q-U-I-T. All right, I'm so excited to introduce you to your first capital cursive letter, which is capital J. So I have a printed J here for you and a lowercase cursive j. The cursive capital J is somewhere in between the two printed J's. I'm going to show you by using a yellow marker. I'm going to start at the bottom of the capital printed J. Watch my cursive line go up to the top. Follow that vertical up and down stroke all the way down, and then sweeping around, sort of similar to the lowercase cursive j, and away. Now, with that in mind, we're going to start studying our cursive j. Starting at our green dot and sweeping all the way up to the very top line, nice and round around and down. They can touch each other. For this demonstration, I didn't want the lines to get confusing, but I touch the base line, I go all the way through it, way down to the bottom line below, and then I come around and sweep away. All right, and now we're going to start to make some of our own cursive capital J's on the new learner line, the should do line, and the aspire to do line. I'd like you to try all three today. And then we're going to work on the word jump, capital J, U, M, P. And then you can put an exclamation mark, and you can try that on, several different lines that make you comfortable.